Alright, morning everyone. I'm on my way to work here. I thought I'd do a quick video. Gonna be feeding the birds this morning. Anyway, I had a little thought about this. I thought maybe what if, instead of just feeding the birds the seeds planted and then grew and made more seeds, give a man a fish and all that. So I thought maybe, in the effort of feeding the birds, maybe these ones grow first. That would be better for the birds. So anyway, I have to find somewhere to plant these. Let's go. Alright everyone, thought I'd do a quick update. It's day 2. I didn't get a lot filmed on the first day because it was too hard to film and plant seeds at the same time. I got a few down though. Some I planted in the ground, some I just scattered like bird feed. And now it's day 2 and it's raining like hell, so I'm going to do a bit more. Alright, this is one of the alleyways I walked down. Some nice verges along here. Put one down, cover it over. Easy peasy. Few bits. Just a light stamp down. Molehill. They're supposed to be good soil in molehills. Oh, there's a bird, look. My bird. They're coming out to look what seeds I'm putting down. Couple left. It is a miserable day. One more, just here will do. I think they mow along here, so maybe them ones won't survive, but yep. There we go, another area done. This is a weird bit of wasteland. Gotta be careful here. This place sent me to A&E last year because I was running across here and stepped on one of these bits of wood. Got a rusty nail through my foot. There's one there, looks sticking up. Wasn't looking where I was going. Looks like it'd be a good place for a Guerrilla grow though. Not sure where to plant them. Interesting little place. That one over here on this hill, by that black stone. Keep an eye on these. I don't know why I'm just planting one at a time. I should plant a few. I'm saving these ones for around here. Alright, around here looks good. Like, drop a few on the floor. Around here. Nice area for wildflowers, this. Just a bit of wasteland. Never see anyone coming along here. Plant some over between these logs. Oh god, what's all that one for? Round shit everywhere. Okay, the majority of it I'm going to put in this area so I remember these things are here. Just the usual thing, just put them on the ground, stamp them down a little bit, not so much that I break them. There you go. Job done. Alright guys, day 3. Not the third day of sorry I thought I heard someone. This isn't the third day in a row, it's more like the 5th day since I started planting them, but it's the 3rd day of planting, if that makes sense. I did the first day on Saturday and then second day was Monday and now it's Thursday and it's the 3rd day of the mission. So let's continue planting. Alright, just in the usual alleyway. Trying to see if I can see anything germinating, but I can't really remember where I planted them. This bit here I definitely put some in. No signs of anything yet. Let's put a few more seeds in. This bit here. So no sign of anything yet, but it's early days. It's been quite cold recently, so they might not have germinated yet, or the birds might have just got the seeds. But anyway, in the coming videos I'll do more updates. It's hard to tell really, there's so many plants, when they've got these seed leaves on, they all look the same.
Target locked.
spot. Nothing yet, I can see a seed there though. Germinated. Cover that one up. So, yes, there we go, some evidence that they're actually germinating. It's been heavy rain the last 2 days, so they've probably got a bit uncovered on that hill, that slope. Yeah, it's a promising sign. Okay, I'll plant some more on this bit. I only planted one last time. I don't know why I only planted one seed. Put a few down. Stamping into the ground. I suppose that concludes part 1 of the Feed the Birds mission. I've got a few seeds left, quite a few. What I'm going to do with them is just reseed areas as I'm walking to work every now and then. Places where I planted some and none came up, or just different places that I see, but I suppose there's no point showing every single time I plant a seed. So anyway, yeah, and I'll do more updates if I see any growth or any more information comes to light on the plants. So there you go. This is the little area where I planted some the other day. Yeah, it's way too early to see if anything's come up yet, but hopefully I'll get a few plants. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more grow updates. I'll put in the description a link to the playlist for these plants. So if I make more videos in the future, they'll go on that playlist. And if you're watching this in the future, you'll be able to click on the link right now and see the future videos through the amazing technology that we have these days. So, see you later.